What's up guys? Today we are going to look at how to clean the mold off a guitar case. So this can be used for anything that is cloth. What we need today is microfiber cloth and diluted vinegar in a spray bottle. So you put 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, mix it in, and that's your solution. So let's do a close-up. So here's a close-up of the mold. So now it's the season where it's really damp, and when it's damp it likes to stick onto any kind of cloth. The heating in that room is not that good. So what you need to do is you need to spray the area. Spray quite a bit. Yeah, you may want to put something down and make sure that your case is empty. So you take the cloth, clean part of it, you start rubbing it in. Oh, I got quite a bit, but I'll clean that up later. Make sure you get into all these crevices, because that's where the mold likes to sit. It smells like fish and chips. So what you need to do, can you see most of the mold has actually come off straight away with the vinegar? You leave that dry for about 10 minutes and then you do it again just to see what it looks like when it dries. I'll be back.
1 hour later.
Welcome back guys. So it's about 10 minutes and it's dried up a little bit. It's still kind of moist, but it doesn't look like anywhere is moldy. So I'll do one more spray and probably leave it overnight. Just make sure I get the bottom end of this. So grab the microfiber, work in that vinegar. There we have it. Okay, so just to recap, what you need is 1 cup water, 1 cup vinegar, mix it into the spray bottle. spray it over the moldy areas, use a microfiber cloth, try and wipe it in, dry it out. You can do this a few more times depending on how bad the mold is, but that'll do the trick. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.